Be honest, you can't even watch this video without wanting to check your phone. You've already thought about clicking away. Your brain is fried, wired for distraction, starved for focus. And if you can't focus for more than 10 seconds, your life is being stolen from you. Let's fix this right now. Let me tell you something brutal. Your inability to focus isn't a personal weakness. It is by design. Companies worth billions have hacked your biology. Every ping, every scroll, every red notification bubble, they are engineered to pull you in. You're not failing because you are lazy. You are failing because you are up against armies of psychologists and engineers who know how to hijack your dopamine system. Think about it. When was the last time you sat in silence for 10 minutes without reaching for a screen? Probably never. You've been conditioned like a lab rat, rewarded with likes, punished with boredom, and boredom is now unbearable to you. You don't have ADHD, you have a dopamine addiction. But here is the wake-up call. It's not enough to blame the system. Yes, they set the trap, but you keep walking into it. And every second of distraction is a second stolen from your future. I like to say, if you're still here and you actually want to reclaim your focus, you have to subscribe to this channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell someone about this channel because this channel isn't for entertainment. It's for people who want transformation. Let's break down what 10 seconds focus actually costs you. You think distraction is harmless. It's not. It's life or death for your goals. A distracted brain is a weak brain. You lose depth, you lose momentum, you lose the compounding effect of deep work. Every time you switch tabs, scroll Instagram, or refresh your inbox, your brain pays a tax. That tax is called attention residue. It's the mental hangover that keeps you from locking into real work. So even if you come back to the tax, part of your brain is still stuck in the last distraction. You don't lose focus because you are tired. You lose focus because you are addicted to stimulation. And this is the harsh truth I want you to know. The world doesn't reward the distracted. The world rewards those who can go deep, who can sit in silence, wrestle with boredom, and create something real. You want to know why you are broke? Why you feel stuck? Why nothing changes? Because you can't stay with one thing long enough for it to pay off. You are starting 100 races and finishing none. And guess what? Nobody remembered the guy who almost finished. Alright, so let me explain why your brain feels broken. Your mind wasn't built for endless novelty. It was built for survival. Hunt, gather, rest, slow cycle of focus and recovery. But in the last 15 years, technology rewired everything. Now you get more stimulation in one day than your grandparents got in a year. That TikTok scroll, that's a slot machine for your brain. Every flick of your thumb says maybe the next one will be better. You've become a gambler chasing dopamine jackpots. You are not scrolling because you are bored. You are scrolling because you are hooked. So I want you to know the problem. So dopamine isn't evil. It's motivation fuel. But when you flood it on junk, memes, notification, pointless videos, you burn out the receptors. Then real life feels dull, reading feels impossible, studying feels painful, conversations feels boring. And this is why you can't focus for 10 seconds. Your brain has been trained to prefer chaos over calm and stimulation over silence. But if you keep living like this, don't be surprised when your goals never moved, your relationship crumble, and your dream stays as strange. Okay, enough for diagnosing the problem. Let's talk about the cure. Step 1, kill the triggers. You can't outfocus a phone designed to distract you. Turn off useless notification. Delete the apps that you own. If that sounds extreme, ask yourself, do you want focus or do you want to stay a slave? 2, train boredom tolerance. Every time you feel the itch to scroll, don't. Sit with it. Let your brain sweat. Just like lifting weights builds muscle, resisting distraction builds focus. 3, time block everything. Stop relying on willpower. Decide in advance. This hour is for work, this 30 minutes is for reading, this 15 minutes is for scrolling. When you give chaos boundaries, it loses power. And 4, single task or die. Multitasking is the lie that's keeping you mediocre. One screen, one task, one goal until it's done. Focus is a muscle. You don't lose it, you stop training it. And step 5, ritualize deep work. Make it sacred. Same time, same space, every day. Build a tempo of focus. When your brain knows this is work mode, it obeys. Here's the reflex in 2025. Not money, not followers, not clout. It's being able to sit in silence and focus while everyone drowns in distraction. If this is eating you, I want you to smash the like button, subscribe, share, because someone you know needs this reality check and you might be the only one in their circle willing to share it. Here is the part most of you will skip, but if you're still here, you are different. You actually want to win this game. So I'm giving you one challenge. For the next 7 days, no phone within reach during work. 60 minutes of deep, uninterrupted focus daily. And journal everything. Did I win or did distraction win? That's it. 7 days. If you can't do that, don't talk about dreams. Don't complain about being stuck, because if you can't control your attention, you can't control your life. Distraction is the new poverty. Focus is the new wealth. And just so you know, let me warn you, this will hurt. You will feel withdrawal. You will feel restless. But when you push through, you will unlock a power most people will never taste. Clarity, depth, presence. This is your fork in the road. Keep living like a distracted zombie or become one of the few who actually finish what they start. And if you're serious about becoming that person, I want you to subscribe right now. Join this channel, because I'm not here to entertain you. I am here to build warriors of focus, discipline, and execution. Because at the end of the day, you either master your attention or someone else will. So why can't you focus for more than 10 seconds? Because you've been trained not to. But by now, you know what is at stake, and today you take your power back. Your focus is your future. Protect it or lose everything. Till I see you again, shine on.